Here's what's next in Social Studies 10. We're going to learn about ideologies. Have you ever heard of capitalism, communism, democracy, right wing, left wing, things like that? You might wonder what they are or why you even need to learn about it. By the end of this unit, you'll understand why. Your task will be to choose an ideology with a group and make a simulation for your class. Just like these kids here in a flight simulator, you are going to create some kind of experience where we're going to dive right in and learn all about it. The first step, you're going to look, listen, and learn. So you will be part of a simulation about First Nations governance. You'll learn more about that type of ideology, plus you'll see how a simulation can work. How are ideologies like cows? Don't worry, it's not a trick question. I have some really cool images that I'm going to show you that connect ideologies to images and help us make sense of them. Step 2, ask tons of questions. You're going to work by yourself, brainstorming questions, then in a group, then as a class. And we'll get as many questions as we can come up with to help you create your own simulation. Step 3, understand at a deeper level. You're going to do a whole bunch of research and really break down what an ideology is and how a simulation is created. The next step is navigate ideas. So now come up with a really great idea. How will you help us experience this ideology that you have chosen? Now I want you to try to think outside of the box. Can you do it in a totally different way? And then up next, you're actually going to create a simulation. So you're going to get to work, figure out what each person in your group is going to do, what materials you might need, and write a script. Figure out what are you going to tell us at the beginning of the simulation, and what are you going to hope we're going to figure out by the end of it. In step 6, we're going to practice and see how it goes. After you've practiced it, take some notes, give each other feedback, and tweak it. Can you make it just a little bit better? And then, last step, you're going to launch it. Try the simulation with the class, for real. After the simulation is over, you're going to run a debriefing session where you'll help everybody in the room connect what happened in the simulation to their learning, to their background knowledge, to their community, to their life, and more. It's going to be fantastic. I can't wait to see what you come up with. By the end of this unit, you should be able to do these 4 things. Use social studies skills to gather evidence and create a simulation. Identify the key points of an ideology. Understand and describe different perspectives and make ethical judgments about the ideology. All photos and images used today came from creativecommons.org, Bitmoji, and Word It Out.